Good morning everybody. Today in our class we will learn buried treasure. Okay, so let's start. First we discuss about types of minerals. Okay, minerals, there are the three types. Number 1, fossil fuels. Number 2, metallic minerals. Number 3, non-metallic minerals. What is fossil fuels? Fossils are the very old remains of animals and plant, and fuels is something that burn to produce heat and power. Its examples is coal, oil, natural gas. These are the fossil fuels. Okay. Metallic minerals, these are metal such as iron, copper, aluminium, etc. Non-metallic minerals, these are the non-metal like limestone, mica, etc. Okay. Now we discuss about how we get the minerals. You know, the minerals are deposited under the surface of the earth. So that's why for getting minerals we are following this process like mining. This means digging into the ground to get the minerals. When the minerals are deep inside the ground, miners are go into the mines by lift to get the minerals. Okay, when minerals are not too deep in the ground, they are taken out by the removing the top layer of the rock, soil and vegetations. This is called surface mining. Okay, we get coal by this type of mining. Number 2 process is quarrying. This process means digging shallow, open a pit, that is called quarries, and we get marble and limestone like this process. Okay, next, drilling. This means digging deep holes in the ground. We get crude oil from which the petrol and diesels are made in this way. The deep holes are called oil wells. Okay, and you have to remember most minerals are found in raw state, so they are then purified before they can be used. Okay, remember that. Now we discuss about some Indian minerals. Okay, most of Indian minerals wealth found in a rocky or hilly regions, and in India, Chotanagpur Plateau is rich in minerals. Okay, here you can see a map all over the in India. There are so many types of minerals you can find like coal, petroleum, iron, bauxite, mica, limestone, etc. Okay, first we discuss about coal. Coal is very useful for fuel and one of the Indian most important natural resources. It is used as a fuel in homes and some industries, and it also get used for generate power. Okay, coal heat waters and that produce steam, and this helps turbine to generate power. Okay, so that's why the smoke produced from the burning of the coal, that's a major source of pollutions. Okay, and coal is found in the underground layer that is called seam. Okay, most of Indian coal is found in Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal and Odisha. Okay, now we will discuss about oil and natural gas. A thick black fluid is found in the underground pool in some place. This is crude oil and also called petroleum. Okay, natural gas is often found along with it, or it can be found separately. Petroleum is purified in a refiner to produce petrol, because when we find it, it is mixed with the other materials. Okay, so that's why that name is crude oil. After that, when we refine that crude oil, we get petrol, diesel, kerosene, paint, plastics and the tar. fuel from petroleum cause more pollution than the natural gas. Okay, so oil and gas fields are mostly found in Assam, Gujarat, in the sea near the Mumbai, and in the Bay of Bengal. And this explosions is one find other place where the oil may be present. Okay, and India does not have enough petroleum for need of all the people. This is why most of the oil that we used in India is imported. Okay, that means brought from other country. Okay, now we discuss about iron. Iron is an important metallic minerals, and it is found mixed with the other substance such as rock, sand, clay, etc. And that is why that is known as iron ore. One of the place where good qualities iron ore is found is in Choto Nagpur region, and it is obtained by mining. Iron ore is purified in factories that is called steel mines, and you have to remember here iron is mixed with the other substance to form steel. Okay, steel is used to make things such as industrial machineries, bridge, buildings, car, buses and utensils. Okay, next we discuss about bauxite. This is also a metallic minerals. Okay, and this is named for the aluminium ore. Bauxite is also known as aluminium ore. Aluminium is a light metal, that's why it is used for aircraft and the kitchen utensils, and it is found in many places in India like in Choto Nagpur Plateau and the part of Tamil Nadu. Okay, now we discuss about mica. This is a shiny silvery minerals, and it is important for it is uses like it is used for making electrical and electronics goods, and mica is found in Jharkhand, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh, and India has the largest amount of mica in the world. Okay, next we discuss about limestone. This is the non-metallic minerals, and one of its main uses is to manufactures of cement. Okay, and limestone is found nearly all over the country. Large amount are found in Karnataka. Okay, I hope everybody understood. If you have any queries, please let me know. Thank you.